Namaste everyone. Hoping wellness for all of you. Alongside wishing good health and happiness. I am Vivek Singh, your financial coach. I help individuals create wealth to last a lifetime. Financial selfie. Recently we have started using the term financial selfie. And couple of questions came to us as to what this financial selfie is all about. Financial selfie, like any other selfie, is a self-portrait. Like we look at our own picture, that is selfie. So it can be an individual selfie or a group selfie. Financial selfie is looking at your financial well-being and the overall picture of finances, and you are reviewing the same sitting with an expert or on your own. So financial selfie tells you the situation of your finances as a whole. So in financial selfie, there are three things we'll be looking at. One is the capital account, that will tell you the actual net worth, the cash flow as to how much income is coming in, how much you are spending, how much you are investing, so that it will give a clear picture as to how the money is flowing. So combination of these two things will help you determine and focus on a regular basis. So life is always about balancing. Even while walking we have to balance and rebalance. So constantly we are in the state of balancing. So if there has to be a common platform that will tell us as to whether we are balancing right or we have to readjust. So this financial selfie, this document is going to help you finance and balance things better. And if we look at the advantage of financial selfie, see, any successful enterprise, starting from the World Bank to the larger banks to country's economy, global economy, everybody, they manage their cash flows. So they look at cash flow and the balance sheet. So every year when the when our government declares the budget, during that time we get to know as to what is the income of the government, how much government is spending, and what is the deficit. So generally our country is running in deficit. Most of the countries nowadays are running in deficits because the kind of spend they are doing for well-being and welfare, that amount is increasing on a regular basis. So as an individual, we have to look at companies as well, the organizations where we are working or the companies which we are managing. So every year we file our income tax returns for the heck of it, because the government forces us to file income tax returns, we file it. But do we actually look at our balance sheet and our cash flows properly? Most probably no. We can help you assess your balance sheet and cash flow, and it is not a complex work. It is not a complex work. It is very, very simple. I can share a very simple common document. So end of the year, on a financial year, before filing returns, or maybe on your birthdays, or maybe on 31st December or financial year end, whatever suits you best, maybe on your wedding anniversary, whatever suits you best on that particular day, you should go and click a financial selfie and revisit the entire thing as to how was the journey of investing, how much capital account is faring, whether we are actually growing or we are just running around earning, investing and spending. So we have our goals in place, and there are aspirations which will come midway. Aspirational buys. If my neighbor has bought a bigger car, I am inclined to look at a bigger car. So all these kind of things will come on the way. May come, may not. So going for a fancy, expensive vacation. So all this will be an add-on expenditure in our common cash flow situation. But if we have a clear idea as to what is the income coming in, how much money is there in the capital account, and we have our goals in place. See, if all these three things are in sync, then we will have leverage to overspend at certain point in time. So that comfort factor in back of our mind would be far more if we have a clear and precise picture. So we need to maintain a financial selfie effectively, and to do this, if you want to manage your financial selfie on your own, please go on my website, download the file and help yourself. Or you need some assistance, feel free to get in touch with us. All the best. Have a great day.